In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks and reminders. If you've ever missed a follow-up or lost track of what needs to happen next, this walkthrough will help you build a simple, reliable system right inside your CRM. You can create tasks in two places, from the main tasks page or directly from a specific record like a contact, company, or deal. Let's start from the global view. Head to CRM, then choose Tasks, and click Create Task. A task panel opens where you'll add the details that make your task clear and actionable. Give your task a descriptive title like Follow Up on Proposal so it's easy to recognize later. Choose the type that best matches the action you'll take: call, email, or to-do. This helps you plan your day and filter your list. Next, pick a priority: low, medium, or high. Be honest about urgency so the most important work rises to the top. Use associations to link the task to the relevant contact, company, or deal. This keeps context at your fingertips when it's time to act. Finally, set a due date and time so your task appears on your schedule and doesn't drift. You can also create a task from within a record. Open any contact, company, or deal, and look to the left sidebar for the task icon. Click it and you'll see the same fields you just learned. The benefit of creating a task from a record is that the association is already handled for you, which saves a step and ensures your task shows up everywhere it should. Now let's make sure you see tasks before they're due by setting reminders. Reminders trigger notifications by email, desktop, or mobile, so you can choose what works best for you. While you're creating or editing a task, open the Reminder dropdown. Select a preset option like 30 minutes before, or set a custom date and time if you need a longer runway to prepare. Pick a lead time that matches the work involved. Quick emails may only need a short nudge, while calls or meetings might deserve more notice. If you want every new task to include a reminder automatically, set a default. Click your account name, go to Profile and Preferences, and open the Tasks tab. Under Defaults, choose your preferred reminder time frame. From now on, each new task will include that reminder, and you can still adjust it on a case-by-case basis. That's it. Create tasks where you work, add clear details, and back them up with reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and try these steps today to keep your pipeline and follow-ups moving smoothly.